Hi, Anil Nair here. This video is for the students who are from English medium and are writing various aptitude exams such as SSC, CGL, CHSL, CPO examination, any bank examination, IBPS PO, IBPS clerk, SBI PO, SBI clerk, so on and so forth. You are preparing for railways examination, defense examination, AFCAT examination, placement examination, groups examination and other 40 plus aptitude examination. Many of the students knows the fact that just watching classes, learning concepts is not important. After learning the concepts, attempting the test and checking where we stand is equally important. It has been almost last 8 months of sincere and serious hard work. I am extremely happy to announce Anil Nair's 300 plus topic-wise aptitude, reasoning, verbal tests are also there. Verbal tests are also there with a detailed solution. Sir, there are so many test series. Why Anil Nair's test series is uniquely different? The first and foremost thing, the first thing is this is just not a test series with a solution. This is a test series with Anil Nair's way of solving. Each and every question in aptitude and reasoning is solved in easy way, best way, fastest way. So you will find Anil Nair's signature way of solving in these topic tests. Point number 2, I mentioned here 300 plus topic wise tests, but I am going to give the students 450 plus topic wise tests. You will see that next 150 tests getting loaded on a weekly basis. That is the second point. And third most important point, this test can be watched in web, laptop, mobile app and any of these web version as well as the mobile app version. Third most important, you can attempt the test more than once. That means first time you can attempt the test, second time unattempted questions you can attempt it so that you will understand the examination strategy. That is the third point. Fourth point, the first 2000 enrolled students will also get our entire number system and arithmetic video course absolutely free for 1 month. This is a part of this course. That means in case if you pay 499 plus taxes, you are getting 450 plus topic wise test. Your each and every question has got a detailed solution. Solution is in a smartest way. It will cover all the topics of aptitude, reasoning and verbal. Some of the tests like SSC bank examination also has an mock papers attached to it. In case if you attempt the test, you can rewatch the entire test in a PDF format which is readable, which will be present in your login within 1 or 2 days after the test is over. In case if you join this test series, first 2000 enrolled students will also get a 48 hours number system arithmetic video course. For 1 month, access is automatically enabled. You can watch it for 1 month, number system and arithmetic words. Actual price of these product is 999 rupees, but from October 1st it will be at 799. From October 1st it is at 799 as a pre-booking price. All the tests, whatever I said, 450 plus topic wise test, they will be visible in your portal from October 1st onwards. That means pre-booking price is 499 from today till October 1st if you book it. From October 1st onwards, discounted price is 799. After 2000 students buy this course, the price will become 999 rupees. You can check where you stand. Each and every question, time-wise analysis, section-wise analysis, attempted versus not attempted analysis, speed versus accuracy. All the artificial intelligence tools will help you to understand and learn the examination strategy. If you ask me personally, this is going to be the best test series for the students who are preparing for English medium, which covers in detail all the concepts, all the models, all the varieties, all the previous year questions in detail. In case if you want to know more, you can always WhatsApp this number 8050067891 or you can download Anil Nair classes link present in the description and read the complete course details. Have a great future ahead with Anil Nair classes. With love, Anil Nair.